will wear green hawk, and today they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball ring. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come share us up here say Sassy, 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 Sassy. And all the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come boys up here say Rocky, Rocky. Alright, birds ready, dreamers ready, set, go! Here's what our first ball. Followed only by Sassy. I'll not go for Rocky. Let's see who's gonna win this game. And for the last ball, Rocky wins! What do you say about that trainer, Vina? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, trainer JB.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
Well, this time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the bowl the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race.
So the ring race it shall be. Remember guys that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy in this time. We'll be doing this again. And this time a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's Rocco's first ring. Followed only by Sassy. Hey, what a name! Sassy! And the winner is Sassy! What do you say about the trainer, JP? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
He thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.
Oh. So it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? A round of applause for Rocky and Sassy, trainer JP and trainer Vina. Parrots are particularly known to be intelligent and perceptive. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and not let go. So here's Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct spot. Just like Sassy, green pacos are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the mammal family. It is because they are the second largest next to the highest macaws. They can grow up to 90 centimeter length and can be up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachnoroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. Let's go, Sassy girl. You can do it. And for the last shape, go girl. There you go. You know just right now for first Sassy. You made her beat us. Now guys, who loves okay, trainer JV's rap ready. Program is solved equation for us. 7 plus 17. Let's see if Rocky can do this. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number? Okay. Let's go, Rocky. Do the math. He's calculating. 17 plus 7. And I think he knows the answer. Rocky gets the number 4. So 17 plus 7 is equals to 24. Should you say for her, di ba ko? Rocky is the greater GP. So this time, I need an Bunny flies over and he gets the money and flies back. And I think Bobby will donate the money. Or almost for a dollar. But before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? No? Well, now you know. Your money will go a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos? Anyone? No more?
Bibili niyo
Please
yung
stand right
sapatos.
here, look at the camera, and
Ano ba?
smile.
Wow, what a beautiful entrance! Good day everyone and welcome to Aquatica. By the way, I'm trainer first and I would like to meet my friends together with the trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lions that we have. And according to his trainer, he is the handsome one. Wow, confident. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer David, say hi! While on the other side is the youngest female South American sea lion that we have. And according to her trainer, she is the sexiest. Oh, Lord, this driver, her name is Sandra. Together with trainer Johnny, say hello. Now, let's continue. So guys, do you have any idea why they're called fin or feathers put in marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Hey buddies, do you have feathers?
No.
Well, the answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. See those? The term millipede may be also translated as wing rooted, since their flipper to look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater as they swim from place to place. Right, buddies? And you know, they're often mistaken as a seal because they look very much alike. But some differences between a seal and a sea lion is that fact they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's the fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? And you know what, guys? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? How about a round of applause for sea lion friends? As you can see, their body is covered thickly from coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice mind. Hey! They may also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like many marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have keen eyesight, but no color visions. In the wild, they inhabit waters close to shore. Flat rocky cliffs with tide pools, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out, truly strong front flippers. Now, let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movement of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudder for steering. And that is the normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you, Vincent and trainer David. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to
Pas lang aron. Awa. Pas mo lang, Wira.
25 miles per hour! That is so fast! How about a round of applause for Sandra? That's sexy, yes! Wow, nice tiger. And another one, she deserves it! Now, here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the US Navy has trained a few of them to take part in their special operations? Yeah, that's right. They're able to hold their breath for up to 20 minutes and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since cannot be detected by radar underwater, they're thought, recognized, and avoid underwater mines. Alright, buddies, trainers, are you ready? One man, salute! Now, let's march. Ready? Hop, 2, 3, 4, hop, 2, salute! Now, this time, would you please join our sea lion in a salute? In a count of 3, everybody please salute and make this one loud. Alright guys, are you ready?
Ready?
Hey guys, I can't hear you. Are you ready? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, salute everybody. Thank you so much. Sea lions are also used to search and recover equipment from the water. H2O. Okay, trainers, what first? Your ring. Go ahead and get the ring. Vincent, Garrett, stand by direction. A round of applause for Sea Lion friends. And another one. They ask you for it. So trainers, what's next? The ball? How do you think they get the ball? It's a balance. Careful, buddy. Almost there. Careful. Ready? On the I want a round of applause for Sea Lion friends. Excellent work, buddies. Now this time, would you love to see a dance number from our Sea Lion friends? Hey guys, where's the energy? Would you love to see them dance? Yeah! Well, give it, my hands up.
Na.
Let's move it. Open up your hands, everybody, come on. Now, show them the side by side. And the flipper dancing. Into the water ballet. Twist it and turn it. What a beautiful music, Sandra. And around the world will go. Round and round. On the other side, round and round. Okay, Sandra, show them the boogie boogie. Boogie boogie, shake, shake, shake. Bounce, twist and bounce. Our favorite part, the boogie shake, shake. Shake those booties. Go, brother Johnny. Yeah, wow. And keep on rolling. Okay, Sandra, show them Australia. Take a little crowd, get your camera. Because this is the best part. Steady it. Arriba! And for the finale. Steady it. Let's go. Round of applause for Sea Lion friends and the trainers as well for the great dance number. Peace.
Yeah.
We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, the South American Sea Lions, Vincent and Sandra. And we also hope that even after you leave, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on land greatly affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like many marine animals, cannot survive a dry-built environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our Oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are steward of our planet, and thus each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and trainer David, Sandra and trainer Johnny, all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our sea lion friends. Bye! By the way guys, if you love some souvenir pictures with sea lions and birds, please approach our friendly photographer at the exit area. And again, thank you for watching!
Bye.